What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's dive into the news. The first story of the day is if you've been waiting to get a Galaxy Z Fold 4 and you want to get it for less than $500 and you have a fairly recent phone, you can do that right now. If you have a Galaxy Z Fold 3 or an S22 Ultra or a Note 20 Ultra, any three of those phones, you can upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 for $500. Now, after tax, it will push you over $500. But right now, you can do it right on Samsung's website. I'll link it down below if you want to take advantage of this. Now, I will admit, and I've done it in videos, Z Fold 3 to the Z Fold 4, not a huge jump, but if you're getting tired of your phone, for whatever reason, you just want the newest version of the phone, do it, why not? And then, you also have S22 Ultra, which if you're tired of these candy bar phones, that might be a reason to upgrade. And then I think the most likely and most probable person to upgrade would definitely be the Note 20 Ultra. Reason being is you're getting a much bigger display, obviously with the Fold phone. And then you're also getting S Pen support. S Pen doesn't go inside, but you can get a case that houses the S Pen. And then also beyond that, you're also just getting a completely different device in general. So I think that would be the main three things to take away. Better camera should be part of it as well. Better performance, all that kind of stuff. Check it out, link down below. And our last story of the day is more of a telltale signs of what to say. So this guy's phone, I found this article on Reddit, his Galaxy Z Fold 3 should still be under warranty, is broken because of, it looks like a little bit of speck underneath the display. And Samsung will not fix it. They're saying, hey, it's your fault. And he's like, it's not my fault. And he's asking for advice on Reddit. And if this happens to you where, you can tell that, something weird's going on in the display and there's no other physical damage on the phone, then it has to be, most likely, the phone's fault and not your fault. So basically what they said is, it's kind of what I just said right there, but basically, if you have damage on the screen and it seems like, and there's like a speck underneath or some kind of thing going on in here, and there's no other physical damage anywhere else on the phone, say that. Say like, how, don't you think that if I was having, if my phone had a broken screen in some way, it was like a speck that caused all this damage on the display, that it would be other physical damage on the phone or massive damage or a huge cracked display or something like that, showing that it isn't my fault or it is my fault. That's what he's trying to say right there. And that's a really smart thing to do. And then also try to escalate it. If that first person doesn't get you in, say, hey, I want to talk to your manager. Even if they don't, say, I want to talk to your manager. And then if that doesn't work, what always tends to help as well is calling somebody else on that same issue. I hear it all the time from you guys, from Reddit, from people that I know. They're like, I couldn't get through with this one person. I called 4 other people. That 4th person finally got the results that I was expecting. Because Samsung, I will admit, sometimes their support is amazing. Sometimes it's awful. And you could say that about any company, but they're really right down the middle like that. I've had some really bad support with them and really good support. So it all depends on who you work with at the company, unfortunately. But let me know if something like that has happened to you where you had to talk to support multiple times. Tell us a little story in the comments down below. Have a great day and we'll see you down the road. Peace.